Welcome to Kidzone TV. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Budgerigas, commonly known as budgies, are small parakeet species native to Australia. The species is the only member of the genus Melopsittacus, which is the only genus in the Melopsittaceae tribe. Budgerigas are small birds, measuring about 7 to 8 inches, 18 to 20 centimeters, in length. They have a streamlined body with a long tail and a small, hooked beak. Their plumage can vary widely in color, including shades of green, yellow, blue, and white. Different color mutations and combinations are common in captive budgies. Budgerigas typically have dark markings on their wings and back, which can vary depending on their coloration. Budgerigas are known for their playful and social nature. They are active and inquisitive birds, often displaying acrobatic behaviors. They are highly vocal and can produce a variety of chirps, whistles, and songs. Some budgies can even learn to mimic human speech. These birds are social and thrive when kept in pairs or small groups. They enjoy interacting with their owners and other budgies. Budgerigas are herbivores and primarily feed on seeds, grasses, and some fruits in the wild. In captivity, their diet often consists of commercial budgie seed mixes supplemented with fresh vegetables and fruits. Cassowaries are large, flightless birds native to the tropical forests of New Guinea, nearby islands, and northern Australia. These birds are known for their striking appearance, unique behaviors, and reputation as one of the world's most dangerous birds. Cassowaries are among the largest bird species globally, with adult males standing up to 5.6 feet, 1.7 meters, tall and weighing around 130 to 170 pounds, 59 to 77 kilograms. Females are slightly smaller. They have black feathers, with a blue-black head and neck. Their skin is tough and scaly, and they have bright blue skin on their neck and wattles. The skin coloration can vary between species. Cassowaries are omnivorous but primarily herbivorous. They feed on fruits, seeds, and vegetation in their natural habitat. Occasionally, they may consume small animals and insects. There are 3 species of cassowaries. 1. Southern cassowary. 2. Dwarf cassowary. 3. Northern cassowary. Cockatoos are a group of parrot species known for their striking appearance, intelligence, and unique personalities. They belong to the family Cacacuidae and are native to Australia, Indonesia, and nearby regions. Cockatoos come in various sizes, with some of the smallest species around 12 inches, 30 centimeters, in length and the largest reaching up to 24 inches, 60 centimeters, or more. Cockatoos are highly social birds that thrive on interaction with their human caregivers or other birds. They can form strong bonds with their owners. Their diet consists of a variety of foods, including seeds, nuts, fruits, and vegetation. In captivity, it's essential to provide a balanced diet to ensure their health and well-being. There are 4 species of cockatoos. 1. Sulphur-crested cockatoo. 2. Moluccan cockatoo. 3. Umbrella cockatoo. 4. Cockatiel. Cranes are elegant, long-legged birds known for their graceful appearance and impressive size. They belong to the family Gruidae and are found on every continent except Antarctica and South America. Cranes are large birds, with the tallest species reaching up to 6 feet, 1.8 meters, in height, and wingspans of 7 to 10 feet, 2.1 to 3 meters. Cranes are known for their melodious calls, which vary between species. These calls are used for communication, especially during courtship and in maintaining social bonds. Cranes inhabit a range of wetland and grassland environments, including marshes, swamps, riverbanks, and open meadows. They are often associated with freshwater habitats and are sometimes found in agricultural fields. Their diet is omnivorous and includes a variety of foods, such as insects, small vertebrates, aquatic plants, and grains. Cranes are opportunistic feeders and adapt their diet to the available resources in their habitat. There are 4 species of cranes. 1. Sandhill crane. 2. Common crane. 3. Whooping crane. 4. Red-crowned crane. Crows are highly intelligent and adaptable birds belonging to the Corvidae family. They are known for their dark plumage, intelligence, and widespread distribution. Crows are medium to large-sized birds, with an average length of about 17 to 21 inches, 43 to 53 centimeters, from beak to tail. Crows are considered some of the most intelligent birds and are known for their problem-solving abilities and tool use. They can solve puzzles, use sticks and other objects as tools, and even recognize themselves in mirrors. Crows are omnivorous and opportunistic feeders. They have a varied diet that includes insects, small vertebrates, carrion, fruits, seeds, and human food scraps. Crows are highly adaptable and can be found in a wide range of habitats, including forests, grasslands, urban and suburban areas, and agricultural fields. They are well suited to human-altered landscapes and often thrive in urban environments. There are 4 species of crows. 1. American crow. 2. Carrion crow. 3. House crow. 4. Hooded crow. Cuckoo birds are a group of birds belonging to the family Cuculidae. They are known for their distinctive calls, parasitic breeding behavior, and diverse species found across the world. Cuckoos come in various sizes, ranging from small to medium-sized birds. They typically measure 6 to 24 inches, 15 to 60 centimeters, in length, depending on the species. Cuckoos are known for their distinctive and often melodious calls. The calls of some cuckoo species are the source of their common names, such as the cuckoo call of the common cuckoo. Cuckoos inhabit a wide range of habitats, including forests, woodlands, grasslands, and wetlands. Their choice of habitat varies depending on the species and their preferred food sources. Cuckoos have diverse diets, but they primarily feed on insects and other small invertebrates. Some species may also consume fruits and seeds. There are 4 species of cuckoo. 1. Common cuckoo. 2. Yellow-billed cuckoo. 3. Channel-billed cuckoo. 4. Asian quail. Doves are a group of birds belonging to the family Columbidae. They are known for their gentle demeanor, graceful appearance, and distinctive cooing sounds. Doves are found all over the world and have various species, some of which are popular as pets. Doves are typically small to medium-sized birds, with an average length ranging from 6 to 13 inches, 15 to 33 centimeters. Doves are known for their gentle cooing sounds, which vary between species. These vocalizations are used for communication, especially during courtship and to maintain contact with their mates. Doves are adaptable birds and can be found in a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, deserts, urban areas, and farmlands. Some species prefer open habitats, while others thrive in dense woodlands. Doves primarily feed on seeds, grains, and small fruits. They use their beaks to pick seeds of plants and the ground. Some species may also consume small insects. There are 4 species of doves. 1. Rock dove. 2. Eurasian collared dove. 3. Mourning dove. 4. White dove. Eagles are large, powerful birds of prey belonging to the family Accipitridae. They are known for their impressive size, strong talons, sharp beaks, keen eyesight, and majestic flight. Eagles vary in size depending on the species, but they are generally large birds. They can range from around 1.5 feet, 45 centimeters, to over 3 feet, 1 meter, in height, with wingspans that can exceed 7 feet, 2.1 meters. Eagles are apex predators and are known for their hunting skills. They primarily feed on fish, mammals, birds, and occasionally carrion. Eagles can be found in a wide range of habitats, including mountains, forests, grasslands, wetlands, and coastal areas. Their habitat choice depends on the availability of prey and suitable nesting sites. There are 4 species of eagles. 1. Bald eagle. 2. Golden eagle. 3. African fish eagle. 4. Harpy eagle. Egrets are a group of wading birds belonging to the family Ardidae. They are known for their elegant appearance, long legs, slender necks, and distinctive plumage. Egrets are typically found in wetland habitats and are skilled hunters of fish, insects, and other aquatic prey. Egrets vary in size, but they are generally medium to large birds. Their height can range from about 2 to 3.5 feet, 60 to 106 centimeters. Egrets are wading birds, meaning they forage for food in shallow water. They are often seen slowly and gracefully moving through wetlands while hunting. Egrets are commonly found in various wetland habitats, including marshes, swamps, rivers, lakes, ponds, and coastal estuaries. They prefer areas with shallow water and abundant prey. There are 4 species of egret. 1. Great egret. 2. Snowy egret. 3. Cattle egret. 4. Little egret.